In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Watch Dogs. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR and navigate to a save file location. C drive program data. If you can't find this program data, then select View and select Show. Checkmark this hidden items and now open the program data. Open Orbit. Open this 274 or LD. This is your game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, backup your game progress. Right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. Save file has two format. One is save 001 and one is 1.save. In my case, the save format is save 001. So drag and drop this save inside this backup folder and drag and drop this save inside this location and launch the game. Once you are in game, select continue. And as you can see, the 100% save successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.